Hi, good day, M6023. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all the employers of Hong Kong. My name is Ayasha Cordero Bakitro. I am 44 years of age. I have a lovely and bright daughter who is now 16 years old. I have previously worked in Sultanate of Oman for 2 years, and they are 7 people in the house. The first daughter is 14 years old. Next is the son who is 10 years old. And next is 12 years old. And the last daughter is 7 years old. There are two employers, I mean the couple employers, husband and wife, and their mother. It is a two-story house with two cars.
Okay, household chores that you do.
Yes, I do household chores, general cleaning, car washing, cooking especially, and sometimes or usually I tutor the 3 other kids.
Okay, and you have also experience here in the Philippines, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
I have a work experience in Palawan, Philippines, for 2 years. The child, or the only or the first child, is only 3 months old, and there are the couple employers and the mother, who is already an elderly.
Okay, and other household chores that you do.
I do cooking sometimes, but basically I work as a nanny, a full-time nanny.
Of the 3 months.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, by the way, your highest educational attainment.
I graduated as a bachelor in elementary education, general subjects.
Okay, and also your religion.
My religion is Roman Catholic.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a 3 months old baby here in the Philippines, right? So you know
Yes.
how to prepare a meal for a newborn, right?
Yes, I do, sir.
Okay, so it is okay to take care of a newborn.
Yes.
Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and check the tummy, or if he is hungry, and the diaper also I have to check.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all that you can, what will you do?
I will have to call or ask my employers if there's anything I can do about it.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I heard it is a good place. There are nice people, very kind, and also I want to provide for my family.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Possibly 2 years or more if my employer wants me to like stay longer.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I have a few recipes I learned from YouTube, but I am very willing to learn more.
Okay, so if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short?
yes, sir. I already cut my hair.
Okay, it is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, it's okay.
If your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or on holiday, it is okay to you to work?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have that at home.
Okay, how about taking care of elderly, help them go to bed, to bathroom?
Yes, sir.
It is okay with you?
Yes.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, I hope you will hire me because I'm willing to learn, and I am very kind and responsible. I am willing to learn a lot of responsibilities at home, and I also want to take care of your children as my own.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss
Thank you,
Ayesa. Thank
sir.
you.